Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit. The last video, at least from posting this one, was back at the beginning of March. We're now to the middle of April, getting to, the end of April, I guess, if you want to look at it however you want to look at it. Anyway, I do apologize about the delays. My life has been all over the place, going on vacation without a laptop, not having access to be able to make or create any videos, as well as coming back home, starting a second job just to make some extra money, and then trying to also, I'm looking into moving here in the next month or two, so there's all sorts of stuff, moving parts that are going on, and I still want to make my videos about Hawaii. I've still got a couple videos and a couple people that I said, like, yeah, I'm going to be making some videos, and yes, I'll make some videos about your place, and yes, it is about some good places that I have been. So do look forward to those. So what brings you to this video today? Hopefully it's about my hike. If not, well, hopefully you just like watching my videos. Maybe. What we're talking about is a hike that me and my buddy Sean, aka Cosmo, aka Badass, aka Awesome. Okay, AKA is enough. Sean here, he came with me on this hike. It was a really great hike. It was wet though. It's been raining for like a couple weeks straight. We've even had to close down some roads leading to some of our other cities here because of the fact that flooding had taken over the roads. Apparently, from what I was told, and I haven't found the video yet, maybe I might by the time I post this video, maybe I might not, who knows, but there's a speedboat that was going down our actual highway because of how much water was there. Can that tell you anything at all about how much water we've gotten? So, the hike we went on was for Shellburg and Stassal, however you say that, Shellburg and Stassal Falls, located here just outside of Detroit, before Detroit. It was actually really great. The trail was really clean. The waterfalls were really nice. And, well, it was just a great all-around time. And there was even cows. Alright, guys. So, without further ado, do check out the rest of this video here, because this is where I show you everything that went on with that hike. What's up, guys? Welcome to the new episode and the new style of the AM experience. We're out here on a hike. Yes, it's pouring down rain, in case you're wondering, but we're still gonna hike in this kind of weather regardless. We got 2 waterfalls to go check out today. Let's get up the mountain and go see them. So guys, little information about this trail. It's a little over 1,000 feet climb in elevation, 6-mile distance, not too bad. That's in and out. And overall, I think if it was a sunny day, it would be quite great. But the other benefit to it is there is cows. You're gonna have cows along the way for much fun and entertainment.
Oh, baby calf.
What do you think? You like cows?
Cows are chill.
Cows are chill? Cows are cool. Dude, this water is flat out raging. Dude, that looks sketchy as hell to go that way.
Dead ass. I am so scared to go down there. Like, just walk like 3 or 4 steps down.
Is this slippery?
No, it's not slippery, it's just you'll do the wind.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just step to the edge.
Oh, God.
Do you feel the wind?
Yep.
Alright, hey, if you're going down, I'll go down with you.
Woo! Oh man, I am getting just the pressure of this waterfall is just hitting me in the face. Oh. Woo! Dude, this is freaking crazy. The victor goes the spoils. Jesus, dude, I am like getting soaked. Hey, Cosmo! Hi! Oh, dude, this is amazing.
Yeah, and what's funny is too, like when you look at it on the back end, like look at where all the water is pushing towards.
Right where we're standing.
Right there,
It
dog.
was like just right. Oh, dude.
Right.
It's a decent waterfall.
Right? Decent.
Nothing like this.
Nothing like this.
This is what happens when it rains constantly for like 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks roughly of just non-stop rain. The rivers are twice, not triple the size they used to be right now. But you know, this is worth it. Here's the second waterfall. This is Stassal Falls. Kind of way out here a little bit, not too far from the other falls. It's literally probably, what, half a mile, maybe 3/4 mile? Something like that. So literally walk up to the wall, you walk back down to the main road, continue walking back up, and you're there. But dude, this one, I'd probably have this like class 4, maybe class 5 in regards to the rapids and everything. Oh, it is a beast. That is for sure. So guys, if you've been watching this video and checking out both these waterfalls, this is Shellburg Falls here in Oregon. It's really amazing. The hike is relatively simple. There are actually a couple campgrounds right around here that you can actually camp at and come to. I'll find those out and put them in the description below. So if you want to maybe camp out this way for a night, check out the waterfalls and just have a good time, this would be really great.